A special good morning to everyone, my dear students. In this video, we discussing about the ratios of trigonometry. In previous video, we discussing about different types of measurement of units of angles such as radian system, degree system, and grade system, and also discussing about the relationship between degree, radian, and grade. But now we discussing about ratios of trigonometry. Ratios of trigonometry. Ratios of trigonometry means, suppose the ratios of trigonometry, in trigonometry there are 6 ratios such as साइन, जिसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं एस आई एन साइन, कोसाइन मतलब कॉस, टैंजेंट सिंपली रिटन एज टैन, कोटेंजेंट are simply called as cot, and secant, इसको हम शॉर्ट लिखते हैं sec, and cosecant. cosecant और जिसको लिखते हैं cosec. There are 6 trigonometry ratios in trigonometry such as sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Ratios means, suppose it is a right angle triangle. Let us consider it is a right angle triangle. मान लो कि this angle is equal to 90 degree. Let this point will be A, B, and C. In the right angle triangle, AB is called as base and BC is called as परपेंडिकुलर और शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं P, और बेस को B लेते हैं, और एलेट इट इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनियस H. हाइपोटेनियस H. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let's say this angle will be theta. Ratio means, suppose let another perpendicular from to let C dash and B dash to AB. Let C dash B dash is perpendicular to AB. Now let us see that in triangle AC dash B dash, AC dash B dash, and ACB or ABC. Therefore, here AB by BC or BC by AB is equal to how much? Now, BC by AB perpendicular by base is equal to B prime C prime B dash C dash by AB dash. Means this triangle and this triangle are similar to each other, therefore their ratios are equal. Okay, ratios means हम जितने भी परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे उस एंगल को कांस्टेंट रखने के लिए, उसके बाद वी गेट BC by AB perpendicular by base always remains same, or the ratio will be same. Similarly, now this from the figure sine of theta. Let's see, sine of this angle will be how much? Front side, the angle whose front side, that means perpendicular, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, that means simply BC upon SC. So that means P by H. This is your sin theta. Similarly, we can get cos theta. That means cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. This is the ratio cos theta. How can we find out cos theta? That means बेस बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज के रेशियो को हम लोग बोलते हैं cos थीटा. सिमिलरली tan थीटा इज इक्वल परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस और cot थीटा विल बी बेस बाय परपेंडिकुलर. sec theta will be hypotenuse by base and cosec theta will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios and their value. Therefore, sin theta is equal to p by h, cos theta is equal to p by h, tan theta is equal to p by b, cot theta is equal to p by b, and sec theta is equal to h by b, and cosec theta is equal to x by p. These are the 6 ratios of trigonometry. Now we are discussing about the reciprocal formulas of trigonometry. Reciprocal formulas of trigonometry. Reciprocal formula of trigonometry. That means साइन थीटा को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए हम ऑब्टेन करेंगे 1. दैट मीन्स x into 1 by x, the result will be how much? 1. Similarly, whenever sin theta is multiplied with cosec theta, we get the result that is equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1 and tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. इसको हमें प्रूव करेंगे. Let us consider it is a right angle triangle. Let ABC, where AC is equal to hypotenuse H, B is equal to base that is equal to BC, and AB is equal to perpendicular distance P. From this right angle, let angle C is equal to theta. From the right angle triangle ABC, we get sin theta is equal to how much? Or sin theta is equal to here front side by hypotenuse, angle के front side, that means perpendicular, that means P by H. Similarly, cosec theta will be how much? Cosec theta will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. sin theta into cosec theta, that means P by H into H upon P. Here PP and HH will be cancellation to each other. Now we get 1. After cancellation we get 1. Therefore, we conclude that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. इसको हम बोलते हैं रेसिप्रोकल फॉर्मूला. सिमिलरली ऑल्सो द टू कैन cos थीटा इनटू sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, tan थीटा इनटू cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्रूव कर सकते हैं. फॉर्मूला ये सर